Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to give photo credit on Instagram. So watch this video till the end. Giving proper credit when using someone else's idea is just good manners. Photographers are the only owners of the image they create. It is only fair to give photo credit when using someone else's work. So without any further ado, let's see how to give photo credit on Instagram. Open the Instagram app on your device. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your page. Select a photo you want to give credit on. Tap on the arrow at the top right corner. Again, tap on the arrow at the top right corner. Tap on Write a caption. Write photo credit and write the name of the person you want to give credit on with @ symbol. Click on the tick symbol on the top right corner. There you go, the simple steps will show you how to give photo credits on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedbacks. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.